To link Zelle to Chime, start by opening the Chime application on your mobile device and signing into your account. From there, navigate to the Settings or Transfer section to access the linking option. You will need to enter your Chime account information to confirm your identity, and then verify your account ownership through a verification code sent to your email. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation message. Alternatively, you can link Chime to Zelle through the Zelle app. Begin by launching the Zelle application and logging in with your phone number. After agreeing to the privacy and security terms, you will be prompted to enter your bank's name. In this case, type Chime. Since Chime is not enrolled with Zelle, select the Don't See Your Bank option, and then provide your email address to receive a code. Enter the code, and then provide your Chime debit card information and billing address. Finally, tap Continue to complete the linking process. By following these steps, you can successfully add Zelle to Chime.